Two things that I find very interesting with the conference. You have the opportunity to meet and informally discuss with regulators. And that's something you can't do much. Coming from a European company, having to discuss with US FDA, that's even more difficult. So that's definitely a very huge benefit. And another thing that works extremely well at these conferences, a lot of things does, but particularly the workshops are quite good when you compare to anything else. And I'm involved with between 10 and 20 other conferences where this is by far the model that I try to implement in some of those other conferences. So that would be two very important reasons to go here.